Michael Cohen once said he would take a bullet for his boss, Donald Trump. But 7 years later, Cohen will play the role of the prosecution's star witness in the first criminal trial of a former U.S. president. Trump faces 34 counts of falsifying business records to hide a $130,000 hush money payment to porn star Stormy Daniels to keep her quiet about what she says was a 2006 sexual affair. The former president has pleaded not guilty and denied any relationship with Daniels. But in court, Trump will face the testimony of someone who was once among his closest confidants. Luke Cohen, no relation, is covering Trump's New York trial for Reuters.
Michael Cohen, for years until Trump became president, was his loyal deputy, right? He was his lawyer, a quote unquote fixer. So basically, when problems arose for Trump while he was working in the real estate industry, Michael Cohen basically took care of them. He was known for being very loyal to Trump.
Cohen pleaded guilty to breaking federal campaign finance laws over his role in the alleged hush money scheme. He served time in jail for that and other crimes, including cheating on his personal taxes and lying under oath to Congress.
Mr. Trump is a con man. He asked me to pay off an adult film star with whom he had an affair and to lie about it to his wife, which I did. And lying to the First Lady is one of my biggest regrets because she is a kind, good person, and I respect her greatly.
Cohen turned on Trump amid that investigation and testified about it in 2019.
He ended up pleading guilty and breaking with Trump, right? So, and he did pay a heavy price. He was sentenced to 3 years in prison, served about a year of that before he was released to home confinement.
Now the former fixer stands ready to help Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg criminally prosecute Trump. This is what Cohen told reporters before speaking to a grand jury last year.
What do you think the result of your testimony today? What will be the result? Can you imagine Mr. Trump being arrested? Is that what you want?
No, again, you've heard me say this many times. My goal, this is not revenge, right? What this is about accountability. I don't want to see anyone, including Donald Trump, indicted, prosecuted, convicted, incarcerated, simply because I fundamentally disagree with them. This is all about accountability. He needs to be held accountable for his dirty deeds.
Trump's attorneys are expected to take aim at Cohen's credibility.
Michael Cohen has pleaded guilty to perjury. He's admitted to lying to Congress about a real estate project that the Trump organization had in Russia. Now, Michael Cohen says Michael Cohen admits to lying. He says he did so to protect Trump, but he is still, an admitted perjurer, right? Pleaded guilty to perjury. That is, going to be a liability for him on the witness stand.
Trump has called the case against him a politically motivated witch hunt meant to harm his candidacy as he mounts a third run for the White House. The trial is expected to run through May.